I'm coming to United Nations because you mentioned it very appropriately. Do you think there needs to be substantial changes in the structure of the United Nations, or whether it has become obsolete in the
No,
course of
I
time?
wouldn't say it's obsolete. You see, every system is devised for a particular context. The United Nations, as we know it currently, was conceptualized and arranged in order to ensure post-World War recovery. That is 1945. So 1945 se leke 55 years in that century and another 25 in this. So now at this stage, there have been questions. I myself been the Secretary General of the Independent Commission, which we were saying, is it UN as it exists today fit for purpose? Clearly, it needs change. It needs change. Countries like India, which have now so much heavy lifting to do, whenever it's a disaster relief or it's energy, we should be permanent members of the Security Council. I mean, if you look at the composition of the Security Council, I'm not on a public platform saying that some of them shouldn't, but countries like India deserve to be. Tell me any other country in the world which is growing at 7.5%, where the IMF has revised this thing, where we are good global citizen. If there's a pandemic takes place, we supply medicines to 150 countries. We are, if there's a disaster, tsunami takes place, we send rescue and relief. If you don't deserve to be a permanent member, I don't think anyone does it. But by the way, the issue is also different. Issue today is that the permanent members of the Security Council are locked in a very difficult situation. They don't get a Security Council resolution anymore because the Chinese and the Russians on the one side, the Americans on the other, and the British, French now seem to be playing one against the other.